Okay, we're back. After a half hour looking for hardware, we found everything. I bent the gas tank ears back out with a little hammer. I couldn't pull them back. If you tap with a hammer, you can get it pretty straight. So now they should go on also. Okay, where's that rag at that we had? Across the top. Okay, later on in there, let's get all the spacers figured out. Let me get in the back. This is the back bolt. Really hold these in there, they're pretty loose. Okay, and what do you got for front ones? Here's your side. Here's my side. So mine fits tighter, but it was hitting. Okay, come up in there. The back ones here. We're good so far back here.
Just drop it.
Yeah, keep going. Alright, finger will do.
Petco.
Okay, hold on. Let's look at the front now. Okay, now we gotta deal with these spaces in the front.
Gotta lift it up and move it forward.
Up. Stop, back. Perfect, hold on. I can't get in there because the coils are in my way. My stud just keeps falling out of here, spacer, I mean. Can't get to it to hold it. Okay.
Forward more.
Okay, I'm on. Are you across your hole?
Yes.
No problem?
No problem.
Okay. How's the back one feel?
The back one,
Falling
I
out?
can't see light through there, but it's across the frame.
It's hitting on something. Here's the nose picker. Here's the flashlight. The spacers are hung up on the frame on your side or my side. One or the other.
Mine's. It's mine.
Which one is it?
I think it's mine. Or
I think it's on my side.
no, it's on yours.
Feels like it's on mine. Yep, there you go. They both in? Yeah, it's dropped down. Okay. Now my spacer's still in, yours still in?
Yes.
Okay, we gotta get the coil bracket to go up now. See, mine's on my rubber a little bit. Where are you at?
I gotta bend it out. Okay.
It's going up.
I'm on the rubber.
Okay. Screwdriver Phillips. Okay. All the way through?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not exactly lined up, but it's all the way through.
Okay, that's close enough. Okay, let's get the back bolt in.
From this side.
Okay, you got to get the washer in first. Got access to that?
Yes. Okay.
Bolt. You see the nose picker? Okay, go slow. I gotta get my washer in before you can go all the way through. Okay, you can go through about a half inch. Whoops, stop. Okay, let me push it back slightly. That's good right there. Stop. Blinded me there. Okay, push it through a little bit. Whoops, stop. Okay, all the way. You got it. Go for it.
All the way now. I need some Allen.
It's up there. It's on a long extension. On a long extension.
Yeah, but you need this, right?
Yeah, it's a long extension. There you go. I don't want to tighten up right now. I just want to get it on there. Push it out. So loose. Okay, that's on there. Does the hose come off? Right. No, hose is on there all the way. Okay, we're good with that. Okay, back is in. Okay, where's the front bolt? That goes in from my side to your side. See how much easier it goes once we know what we have to do?
Yeah.
It's a lot easier not fighting it.
We're using
Just a nut, no washer.
these washers, right?
No, just a nut. That's it. So it goes in there. me get my bolt figured out here first. Okay, I'm going through it. What do we got to get yours at? Coil?
Yeah.
There you go. Got it?
Mm-hmm. And now I'm sucked in, started.
Okay. You got the quarter drive on your side? Back there, okay. I'm gonna lot these here. Ready?
I'm gonna change this. Okay. Wait. Wrong way. It's the wrong way.
Let's turn it.
There we go.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Get tight now. The bracket's moving on this.
I'll hold it.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna torque it. It's pretty tight. Alright, that's good. Okay, the back one, you got swap tools. Hold on. Get down here. Hold on, hold on. Okay, go for it. And just spin it. Just stand back and make a full turn.
I like this.
Yes, there you go. So advantage of a long extension, you're nowhere near the bike. That's good, that's good. Break it. Okay, gas tank is mounted. Fuel line, vacuum line's hooked up. Wipe off the crap on the front of the tank there a little bit. Wipe it off on your side. On top. Filthy rag up there is full of solvent, oil and crud. Okay. What do we gotta do to get the get this in there?
Oh yeah.
Where's the small socket at that I had out? Here's the socket for the gas line. And you got some pliers to get them to wrench? You got pliers to get up in there?
Oh no.
Do you need anything or not?
I don't think so.
Did you get the little small petcock one in there first?
I'm doing that now.
I'll get a pair of duck bells. I don't know where they're at. Must be up front. There you go.
I don't know if I can even get in there with one.
It's gonna be tight.
Gotta find it first.
It's too hard to just pull the horn and get it out of the way.
It's not the horn.
Yeah, but the horn's in the way. You can come up below if you had the horn out of there.
I'm on it. Just gonna push it up.
Should be getting out of the pliers. Coming from wherever your finger is. And just leverage it up. Just coming like this here. Right up like that.
Okay, I gotta restart it again.
Yeah, just grab it with the pliers.
I'm gonna get it lined up first.
And so that's going to be a ½ inch short because we shortened it, remember.
Gotta take the.
Let me get in there, try it.
Huh?
Let me try it.
I can do it. I just gotta take this off.
Okay. The other way. So it's easy to just take junk and get out of the way if it's in your way.
It's too much junk on this bike.
Yeah, that's how Harley likes it. Gotta have all that chrome Gucci stuff when you pay lots of money.
Too much rubber and too much junk and plastic. I don't understand that.
Okay, go ahead and just get the whole horn out of there. Take the wires off. Get the whole damn thing out of there. There you go.
Something like this.
Should get it from below now.
right fucking one? Yes.
It's a small hose and probably a big ass fitting.
Mm-hmm.
Which means it's gonna be a bitch to get on here.
Maybe some grease on there, huh?
Yeah, maybe, but I don't know if it'll help. Let me try it. I can try it.
No. I got it now.
I'll put the wrench on there, just pull it up on there.
I got it.
Leverage it in there.
This hose is really...
Some small hose, big ass fitting.
No, the hose is cracking. I just don't want to rip it.
Oh, it's already got another crack going?
Yeah, the whole hose is cracked. Through the bend and everything.
We'll have to replace it then if this whole thing's cracked. If it won't draw a vacuum, it won't work. It has to have a vacuum to get the petcock to work. If there's a split in it, it won't work.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, that one should just pop right up in there on that.
Okay.
They make these things nice and easy to work on, don't they?
It's worse than a Jap bike.
Worse than a Jap bike. That's getting bad.
My V-Star that I used to have was easier to work on than this, and it had 2 carburetors.
Yeah.
But, just gotta get it together.
They too carried away on that clamp.
That's as tight as I'm gonna go on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Hook up the wires again. Yep. It's a big ass gas tank too.
You only go 50 miles with it.
Oh, you go more now with that gas tank. That's
Really?
a 3.2 gallon tank. At least.
Yeah, maybe 100 miles.
You should be able to get 100 miles out of that tank. These are definitely a pain in the ass to work on. The nice part is we got about 90% of the stuff back together, see.
Yeah. We just don't know if it'll run or stop.
It'll run and it'll stop once you put fluid in it. It's squared. That looks pretty close. A bit too much maybe.
It's not tight yet though.
It's gonna get worse if you tighten it. Yeah, you're too far. You're close. It's close enough. Looks good. Leave it off for now, in just in case we got to pull the carburetor again. Because it'll have to be cut back off.
That's that.
We got to make sure the gas petcock will even work with a. If there's any kind of a split in that line, it won't work. So. All right.
Should I turn the fuel on?
You can turn all you want. If there's no vacuum, it won't work. That's how it works. Makes no difference. I got to put the air cleaner back on anyway. So. All right, we'll be back in a minute.
It worked.
We are back. We are going to put the air cleaner on it now, at least the backing plate part, not the whole thing. Okay, so we should have that all figured out. Make sure I get all the vacuum stuff tucked up under here. Okay, that looks good. Throttle still work? Ooh, look at that. Okay. Wonderful situation there. Okay, so now we just got to do the, put this on there. Figure out what happened to all the tools that I was using. Alright, where is all the tools at, boss? That's the other one. There you go. Think this will fit now?
Maybe.
Now that we moved everything else, it probably won't work.
Don't we need these?
Not yet, you're blocking it here. I want to get the backing plate screws going first. You always want to do that. Because the rotation of carburetor has to make the bolts line up. So if you put these three in there, they'll be lined up. These are very easy to cross through. It's hard to cross for a 1/2 inch bolt. Okay, I need a 9/16 socket, wherever it ran off to. Yep, that's it. Modified bolts. No, I'm not tightening. There. There it goes. Force it up higher. Okay. Manhandle it. Way further apart it used to be. That lines right up that one. Wiggle it around a little bit.
It's a shame it's not made out of metal.
Yeah.
I don't know how it's going to keep the carburetor secure. One big bump.
All the new bikes are plastic, so it's not like it's new.
I can't trust that.
Yep. Well, that's how they do it. It actually works pretty good. You ever been around a new car?
No.
They're all plastic.
I mean, I guess they make guns out of plastic even.
3D printed.
Yeah. So.
They don't last very long though.
Well, AR is pretty much all plastic. The only metal on it is the receiver and the barrel and the.
Stuff a little pressure. Okay.
Butt stocks are plastic.
All right.
Grips.
That's all in there nice and securely.
Trying to start it.
Yeah, look at that. It doesn't even bow out like anything anymore. You're assuming there's even oil in this bike.
It's all on the bottom.
I don't know where the oil is. I haven't checked it. I gotta check the primary oil. I gotta check the motor oil. I don't remember what I've done on this bike. It's been too long.
There's nothing in there. I already looked.
Nothing at all?
I assume it's all in the crankcase.
I don't know. I'm assuming it's drained. You have to check the primary oil too. Where's the filter? Is that a new filter or an old filter? It's dusty, but is it new or old? Can't say probably. You can look at it. That's why you don't start them right now. Okay, I think that's it for the night. We got it more or less buttoned up pretty far. So all you do now is get the front brake mass cylinder up on there, bleed it, and then we just got to start checking all the oils. Check the rear brake also. I think I already did the rear brake. Haven't done anything to the clutch yet because I was going to pull the primary cover off, but
Feels really tight.
yeah.
There's no input in it.
Might have to adjust that too, but all right, that'll be stuff to do the next day. So probably about another 2 hours of work if everything goes easily, and light it off. All right, that's it for now.